Okay, Conman Gaming here. I made this Death Star 2 model from Bandai. Yeah, I got this from Palicon. I just wanted to show you that I snapped it together and put it together. And this is the instructions. It's inside the box, so don't throw out the box. Right in the back part, it says how they build it, A1, A2, A2. So this is like a skill level 1.5. It requires some painting. So there's color guide, and there's some grays. That's there too. Gray, yeah, I got it, yeah. That's there too. Interior wall. Nautical grays I did, and black, I did that. For more, Roy fuzz, wide, blah, 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 blah. Okay. There's a QR code right there. I don't know, there's some international number. I won't call that. It costs way too much money. So yeah, and here it is. And if you really have a question, just email them. Save you money. So there it is. That's it. And there it is. There. And there's the spools it was in. Yeah, 1, 2. The third plastic spool was the stand. And here it is, the Death Star 2. After it fired at the laser. And it was almost getting ready to be blown up. So there it is. Death Star 2. There, it was still under construction. It wasn't fully done yet. I think it was like 40% done. Wasn't even finished. It was still under construction at the time when the rebels blew it up. And then there's a laser coming out there, blowing up the ships because the laser was still operational. The super weapon was, but I don't know if it could destroy a planet. Yeah, but yeah, it's really nice. I got this at Halicon. If you want to get it, it's on Amazon, or you can go to your local model shop and it'll be there. And it's like 1 in 1,000th scale. Yeah, it's like 1 in 1,000 scale because this was big. It was about, if it was fully done, it would have been the size of Pluto, I think. Yeah, the size of Pluto. Yeah. So it's very big for like a space station. For like a space station in space, and it was like a battle station. So yeah, well, if you want to get it, it's not that bad, and it's an easy model to put together, and it's like a puzzle, and then you just paint it. Hope you enjoyed this, and it's a trap. It's operational.